Hey everyone, so our group and I decided to make a yacht loan calculator. When you first open it, it says, "Welcome to your yacht loan calculator. Choose one of the options to get started." And so the overall basis for our project was to find the amount of money you would have to pay per month in order to pay off your yacht. And so we chose three of our favorite yachts: the Benetti, the Fraser, and the Majesty 140. And here there's a set price, interest rate, and duration of months with a little description below. So if you click on the Benetti, it'll say a little description. This is our most popular option. We know you will love the Benetti. Press OK. And then when you press create a table, it will show you the amount of money you'd have to pay, the interest rate, and the principal and the remaining balance for those 48 months until it's paid off. And that also goes for the Fraser as well, which has many great features. When you press create table, and it shows you again the 60 months, as well as the Majesty 140, which is our most affordable option. When you press create table, it shows you. And then if you don't like any of these three options and have your own yacht in mind, you can also do my own yacht. And so you just kind of fill in the information yourself. So if your yacht costs $70,000 and then your interest rate's about 3% and your loan duration is for 30 months, when you press create table, it will show you that you will have a monthly payment of $2,424.84 until the loan is paid off. And if you have any questions, you can just always refer to our help page, which will answer them. Thank you. I know you will have a yacht of fun.